In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Google. Now choose All Services. Scroll again and tap on AutoFill with Google here. Select Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock. Tap on this eye icon and this way make your password visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!